Here we are told that we are going to select 2 planets from the list that we have here. And we are told that the 2 events are that the first planet selected is closer than Uranus, and the second is that the planet is farther than Mercury. And we are asked whether those 2 events are going to be independent. Well, the key thing in this problem that we haven't mentioned yet is the fact that we are told that the planets are going to be selected with replacement. And since they are going to be selected with replacement, what that means is that after we pick the first planet, the whole system goes back to the way that it originally was, and so when we select our second planet, nothing has really changed. Well, 2 events are going to be independent when one event cannot influence the probability of the second event. Well, when we reset and sample with replacement, so we put our first value back into the mixture, then for our second draw, it's exactly the same as it was for the first one, and the value that we got on the first event cannot influence the second one. And so in that case, because we're doing it with replacement, that's enough to tell us that our events are independent.